Well, hello there, Vac fans, especially if you love Royal and Sanitaire. Got these two machines here and we've done a lot of tests. One test that we need to do is a 2-cycle 10-gram fine dust test. Now on the left we have the Sanitaire SC679K, and that one has a Vibra Groomer 2 brush roll. On the right we have a Royal Pro 9 amp, and that one has an upgraded, I guess we'll call it bristle stiffeners brush roll that you've seen in a previous video. So how about we do a 2-cycle test and see just how much these two titans of cleaning can pick up. The Sanitaire F&G bag starts out with an initial weight of 48.53. And the Royal Type B paper bag starts out with an initial weight of 58.62 grams. So we started out with 48.53 and ended up with, I'll call it at 55.26. So subtract 48.53 from that, and we get a raw score of 6.73 out of 10 grams. Go ahead and move the decimal place, and that's 67%. Now, I will leave the corrected amount, which shouldn't change by much, for the summation. On to the Royal. What is my new measured shredder king going to be able to do? Looks like a pretty incredible result. Okay, so I'm going to call it at 67.03, and we subtract 58.62, and we get a result that is completely insane. It's right about 84%, and that's a raw 2-pass pickup. And again, I will save the fully corrected, for shredding capabilities. I will save that for the summation, which starts now. Coming in second place, the Sanitaire SC679K, 67% for the 2-pass baking soda pickup. And the corrected amount is still 67%, because the Vibra Groomer 2 in there is relatively gentle. Coming in at a new record, chart-topping, uber shredder, dig everything out of your carpet level, the Royal Pro Series 9 amp at 84%, and the corrected value only drops a little bit down to 83% when we remove the presumed amount of carpet that gets shredded into the bag. And by the way, I did actually look into the bag, and I can see plenty of carpet fibers in there. The reason why it only drops about 1% for the baking soda pickup rather than the sand pickup is because the baking soda pickup uses 10 grams and the sand pickup is 5 grams. But, oh man, what an increase in performance. And if you look back in my playlist with the standard brush roll, the one without the stiffeners, that one scored 69%. So when you put the brush roll in there with the stiffeners, it bumped it from 69 up to 84, well, corrected 83. Incredible, incredible performance. What I really want to leave you with is a word of caution about a machine as powerful as this, specifically with that brush roll in it. I understand there's people that exist out there that, the carpet isn't theirs, it's maybe somebody's apartment or dwelling, and they haven't vacuumed in a year, and they don't care how much carpet tear out that you actually get. It doesn't make any difference. They just want to hurry up and get the dirt out of the carpet. I mean, I get it. And the Royal Pro, series is the vacuum for you. It just is. But if you want to go and have a carpet for, say, maybe 20 years and have it be clean and have it, well, still be there after 20 years, then you don't want to use a machine like the way this Royal is set up right now. I would much prefer that you would consider the Sanitaire. So it's got great pickup, and the Vibra-Groomer 2 is much gentler. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. And since I value my carpet, since this is my test carpet, I'd like to use a machine that gets the fine dust out, but leaves the carpet alone as much as possible. Well, let's see if there's anything left. Static cling. Lots and lots of static. Lots and lots of static. All right, anything, anywhere. Nope. That is clean. Clean as a whistle. So, great set of compromises.